One of the two things in life is quite difficult. First, to mix things to get something out of it like bananas. Second, to separate the weird banana to find out how it became a banana in the first place. We do a lot of these in our science too. Things like to get salt out of water or to know what's blood made up of. But today I'm going to give more insights on the second difficult part of life. Let's find out from what the bananas are made up of. When two things are mixed, it's basic that there must be two different components coming together and forming a mixture, like A plus B is equals to C. But that mixture could be anything like solid plus solid mixture, solid plus liquid mixture, solid plus gas mixture, or anything. Now, some mixtures can easily be separated, but some are tough nuts. So, the process by which mixtures are set apart to obtain pure substances is called separation. When separating mixtures, you should know what type it is, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures have a uniform composition, while heterogeneous mixtures have a non-uniform composition. There are mixtures which are super easy to separate, like removing pebbles out of sand. You can just separate it by your hands or just call it hand picking. The other super easy technique is winnowing. It is based upon the lighter and heavier masses. The lighter particles which are unwanted are removed by wind or giving it a heavy jerk. The third super easy technique is to separate particles which are magnetic. Just by placing a magnet, any magnetic substance can be attracted towards magnets. Now coming to our moderate level techniques. The first technique is evaporation. It is in fact super easy, but the reason why I didn't count it in that section was because this needed some extra apparatus to obtain the exact amount of substance. In this process, liquid state substances are converted to vapor or gas by heating it. To obtain salt from the seawater, we evaporate all the water and what's left is the salt. The second is decantation, which works peacefully without any interruption. Decantation takes place in mixtures like sand and water. The heavy solid sand particles are settled at the bottom, and without any interruption, the water is cleared, leaving out the sand. The third is filtration, which includes a filter to clear out solid particles. Impure water or just simply your evening tea that allows the filtration process to go on. Now coming to our modern technique, which is hard if you take it. These modern techniques gives us perfection. The first is distillation. To obtain pure liquid from a mixture or solution by first evaporating the solution and then cooling it down or condensing it. This apparatus includes fancy things like burners, flasks, thermometers, holders, and helpers. The second is fractional distillation, which sounds ridiculous. In this process, the pure substances are obtained by separating the chemical compounds. Crude oil, petroleum, which is known as the black gold for your information, uses this modern technique. So, these are all the methods to get the known substance from the weird banana.